All right, you guys. So we are headed into new concepts of taking an area and setting it equal to its dimensions. And then eventually later this week, we'll take its dimensions, multiply, and find its area. And our algebra tiles are going to be key to understanding and having a visual to do this. So at the beginning of this week, starting on Monday, we are going to be building rectangles with our tiles. So you can see here, I have an area of x squared, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 5x, and it looks like plus 6. So I'm going to start by building a rectangle. If you want to pause the video and try to build this yourself, that's a great option to do just to see if you are getting better at this skill. But if not, I'm going to go ahead, spoiler alert, and I'm going to go ahead and build. So I like to always start here. Oh, didn't mean to turn that. I like to start here at the bottom corner. And then I'm going to see here, I usually know that these are going to get flopped around. And so far, I'd have room for one of these blue tiles. So I'm going to move here. I'm going to move this guy down here. Now I would have room for two of those blue tiles. Okay, what if I did this? Switched it here. Now I would have space for 4. And then if I did this, it looks like, I got lucky. Now we have space for 6 of these blue tiles so that we can nicely build a rectangle with all of these tiles. So hopefully now you can see I have the 1x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals, and I'm going to figure out the dimensions here. So sorry there, I had to move some things around, a little bit of a pause. And so I'm going to label my dimensions. And here I know this dimension is x by x to make x squared. And then these small lengths are 1s, so that means x plus 3. And then here I have x plus 2. So I have to put those in parentheses to make sure it multiplies correctly. I'll show you what happens if I don't have parentheses. So here I have x times x gives me x squared. 3 times 2 gives me the 6. X times 2 gives me 2x, plus a 3 times x gives me 3x. So I definitely have 1x squared plus 5x plus 6. Let's just imagine for a second if I didn't have those parentheses to place around my dimensions, and let's say I just wrote, and sometimes I have kids write this, x plus 3 times x plus 2. Well, I'm only multiplying here the 3 and the x, so then I have x plus 3x plus 2 without those parentheses, and then that gives me 4x plus 2. Not so good. So that is why we must have parentheses to get the correct area we have, which this is our area in the blue. Just a reminder, just to label and get you used to these words that you're going to see in the direction. This is our area. And this is considered our product because you're multiplying these two binomials, or what we call our dimensions. This is our product, and it's also known as our, I said dimensions, because that is our length and our width. So thanks for tuning into my video. I hope that's helped you.